Hello friends, welcome to SyncApps. My name is Ashwath and I am a graphic designer and I'm going to tell you what is the freelancing work you have to do and who is your client, who is going to pay you the money and how you can do freelancing work in your free time. It could be daily or it could be weekly. There are no targets in this, and I will guide you how you can do freelancing work with a reputed client and earn good money from them on a regular basis. Alright, so what is the freelancing work? As a graphic designer, for doing this freelancing work, you require two things. That is very important. First, you should be a graphic designer. You should know at least Photoshop. You should be a graphic designer and you should know at least Photoshop. And then you need to have 6 to 8 hours in a week. It's not daily, it is in a week. You require 6 to 8 hours in a week. So these are the two requirements to do this freelancing work. Alright. Now what is the freelancing work? With whom you have to do the freelancing work? You have to do the freelancing work with Google. You have to do the freelancing work with Google. When you're doing freelancing work with Google, so who is going to pay you the money? Of course, Google, right? So Google is going to pay you the money. Now, what is the freelancing work? In this freelancing work, you have to create Android apps. In this freelancing work, you have to create Android apps. When you create Android apps, those apps you will upload onto the Play Store, and from there, you are going to earn the money. Now, to create Android apps, I will tell you the process, what is how to create the Android apps. But let us understand what else is required for this freelancing work. In this freelancing work, first of all, there is no target, there is no time limit, there is no time restriction, and in this freelancing work, uh, there is no sales, there are no clients. You do not have to find the clients. You do not have to spend a lot of time in searching the clients, sending them samples and trying to revert with them, trying to negotiate with them. So you would be spending so much of time only in searching the appropriate clients, and after searching the clients, then you may have or you may not have the guarantee that they will pay you the money or not. All right. And to search a client and to impress a client, you should require good communication skills. You require good experience, which you may or you may not have. But in this particular freelancing work, even a fresher, a graphic designer who knows Photoshop, can do this freelancing work. Here there is only one client that you would be working with, and that client is going to pay you the money. Okay. So to do the benefits of this freelancing work is there is no time limit, there are no targets, there are no sales, and you do not have to find the client. And other than that, to do this freelancing work, you don't require any programming or coding knowledge, because you would be creating Android apps, and to create Android apps you would require programming or coding knowledge. But in this freelancing work, you do not require any programming or coding knowledge. All right. Okay, so with whom you are going to do this freelancing work? You're going to do the freelancing work with Google, and Google is going to pay you. Now what is the freelancing work? In this freelancing work, you have to create Android apps. So before we come to the point that how Android apps are created and what is the use of the Android apps, I would quickly like to tell you why we should create Android apps, and being a graphic designer, what is the benefit to you. Alright, now in an Android app, a lot of images are required and also programming is required. Alright, so 50% part is the UI part, how it appears to the users, and the 50% part is the programming part, the functionality. As a graphic designer, you can create applications using our software, and as a graphic designer, you can create images for particular app. There are different images required, different quality of images, different creative images, different ideas is required to create the Android app. Now, why you should create Android app? Suppose, do you have a Google phone? Do you have an Android phone? Yes, right. Most of the people have the Android phone. In the Android phone, you will find one particular application called as Google Play Store. You will find application called as Google. You will find an app called as Google Play. All right. So what is a Google Play? Google Play is a place where lot of thousands of apps are there. There are entertainment apps, there are game apps, there are information apps, there are education apps, there are tools. A lot of kinds of apps are there, right? Even you must have seen the Play Store earlier, right? Now in the Play Store, you must have also downloaded some apps like WhatsApp is there, Candy Crush game is there, Temple Run game is there, or a app lock tool is there, or some image editing tool is there, app is there, or many apps are there in the Play Store. Now we need to understand why uh, people are creating Android apps. What is the main reason and who are creating Android apps? First of all, let us talk why people are creating Android apps and who are creating Android apps. First of all, let us talk about who are creating Android apps. Okay, what do you think? The thousands of apps that you see on the Play Store, do you think those apps are created by Google, or do you think those apps are created by third-party companies, or do you think those apps are created by freelancers like you? If you look at those many apps that are present on the Play Store, most of the apps are created by third-party companies, and most of the apps are created by freelancers. And there might be like 10, 20, 25 apps that are created by Google. Okay, that is right. Yes. Now, why these third-party companies and why these freelancers are creating the app? Let us try to understand this. If you understand this, then you will understand why you should create Android app as a graphic designer. Now, these third-party companies and freelancers spend a lot of time, spend a lot of money, like 1 to 2 lakh rupees, and they will spend time like at least 6 months to create a good app. After creating an app, by spending so much money, by spending so much time, by working with a team like UI programmer and architecture, by working with a tester, by working with programmers, developers, database developers, server based developers, by working with so many people, when they are creating this app, after spending so much of time and money on them, why these third party companies or freelancers are giving the app for free? Did you get my question? Third party companies and freelancers are spending a lot of money and a lot of time to create an app. After creating the app, why they are giving this app for free to the users? Can you guess why it is for free? If they are giving it for free, what is the benefit to them? Let us talk about the monetary benefit. What is the benefit to them in money wise? How are they going to earn money by giving the app for users for free? Right? A valid question, a thinkable question. When they are spending so much of time and so much of money on creating the app, if they are giving it for free, what is the benefit for them? What is the use for them, right? A very good question. Yes. Now, understand graphic designers, understand friends. The reason why they are giving the app for free is, first thing, they will get more downloads. They will get more users. Now, what is the benefit of more downloads? What is the benefit of more users? A big question, right? The big question is, in this particular apps or the apps that they create, they are keeping Google advertisements in it. They are keeping Google advertisements in it. Whenever a user download a free app, he will open the app, he will play the game, or if it is an entertainment app, he will check the movie or he will check the tool. Whatever kind of app it is, whenever he opens the app, you see a lot of advertisements in it, right? These advertisements are provided by the Google. When the user downloads the app, he will see the advertisement. When he sees the advertisement, these third party companies or the freelancers who created the app are getting the money. So most of the people create the app and give it for free, and they'll put the Google advertisements on it, and they earn money from it. And this money is very huge. Believe me, this money is very huge. All right, I'm going to show you some figures why I call this money is very huge, and also I'm going to explain you how much money they are earning on an average basis. All right. Now let us first one more thing. Let us understand. Apart from Google advertisements, what is the other benefit to them? If you have seen some apps, there are in-app purchases. For example, Candy Crush app is there. In the Candy Crush app, you have got 5 lives. When your 5 lives are finished, then you have to buy the lives by paying 100 rupees or by paying the minimum amount like 50 rupees. Sometimes it is like 200, 250 rupees also, right? Or if you want to skip some level, then you have to buy the uh, skipping like you have to pay the skipping charges that you want to go to the next level. They will charge you like 100 rupees or 200 rupees, right? So they are earning money from this in-app purchases also. It is called as in-app purchases. All right, built-in purchases. To use the services or to use the benefits, you have to purchase some points. You have to purchase some information. All right. So they are also making from in-app purchases. Okay. Uh, Friends, now I'm going to show you different type of apps, how many downloads they have, and let us calculate how much money they might have earned. All right. Let us go to Play Store. Play Store is nothing but play.google.com. I will type it here one more time so you can see it. Play.google.com. If you are using Android phone, you will directly have an icon called as Play Store. But if you are using computer, to go to Play Store, you have to type play.google.com. And now let us see some apps. Let us click on apps here. Let us see some popular apps. Right, we are just waiting for the apps to open. I think the site is little slow. Let us hold on for some more time. Alright. So here are some of the apps available on the Play Store. Alright. Alright. Let us see some of the top apps. Temple Run 2, Cake Match 3, Cooking Mama, Omino, Little Panda, Eat Me. Alright. And if you click on see more, you can see more number of apps. Okay. Now for time being, what we will do is, let us see any of the app here. Let us see the popular app, which is Temple Run 2. Okay, let us click on this and see how many downloads they have and how much money they might have earned. Alright, see Temple Run 2, here if you see, it is created by a third party company called as Imangi Studios. Alright, it is a top developer, and yes, it contains ad, it is written here, and it also contains in-app purchases. In-app purchases, as I told you, there are some uh, things that you need to buy if you want to upgrade yourself, or if you want to play the game forward, or if you want to buy the chance, if you want to buy the lives, or if you want to buy the tools, if you want to buy any kind of add-ons. All right, so let us go down and see how many downloads are there overall. All right, let us see how many installs are there overall so far. If you count in Indian, so this is like 100, 10,000, 10 lakhs, and this is 10 crores. Alright, so minimum installs are from 10 crores to 50 crores. For our understanding, let us consider the average. So far, there are 25 crores downloads of this particular app. Alright, now let us calculate on average how much money it must have earned. See here, do you see? In-app product purchases minimum 65 rupees to 6,500 rupees per item. Alright, they will sell a lot of things in the app also. Now let us calculate on average how much money this app might have earned. Okay, now 25 crore downloads. We are taking not 10 crores, we are not taking the highest number 50 crores, we are taking the average, that is 25 crores. Alright, friends, let us calculate how much money they must have earned so far. For every 1,000 views, you get on average of $5. For every 1,000 views, you get an average of $5. Alright, so let us see the calculation. 25 crores, okay. Alright, so 25 crores, let us first divide it by 1,000. So we will come to know how many views it has got so far. Sorry, let us divide it. Divide by 1,000. So how much it is? 2,50,000. How much it is? 2,50,000. For every 1,000 views, they will get 500. Sorry, every 1,000 views, they will get $5. So for 2,50,000 views, how much they will get is 2,50,000 into $5. That is 12,50,000. How much it is? 12,50,000. But when we are calculating in Indian rupees, so $1 rate is 60 rupees. $1 rate is 60 rupees. $5 means we have to multiply with 60. So friends, if you see the number, so let us calculate how much it is. Unit, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, and crores. So it is 7 crores 50 lakh rupees they have earned so far. 7 crores 50 lakh rupees they have earned so far. What do you think? Is it a good amount, very good amount, or is it excellent amount? I think it is excellent amount. Apart from this 7 crores 50 lakh rupees, they have, see how much, what else they might have earned. Alright. Now there are 25 crore downloads. How many crore downloads? 25 crore downloads. In this 25 crore downloads, what do you think? How many people might be using this app every day? What do you think? How many people might be using this app every day? Let us check 10%. 25 crores, 10% is how much? That comes around 25 lakhs. 25 crores, 2 crores 50,000. Yes, it comes around 25 lakhs. So at least 25 lakhs of the people are using this app every day. So let us calculate how much money they are using every day. Okay, 25 lakhs. 25 lakhs. 25 lakhs people are seeing the app every day. So 25 divided by 1,000. How much it is? 2,500. 2,500 into $5. How much it is? $12,500. 12,500. Now we have to convert the dollar into rupees. So 12,500 into 60. How much it is? 7,50,000 rupees. Yes, friends, they are earning every day 7,50,000 rupees. This is called as autopilot income. Without doing any work, for the app that they have already uploaded on the Play Store on some years ago. For that app, every day they are earning 7 lakhs 50,000 rupees on an average. This is called as autopilot income. Yes, friends, in this particular Android app, freelancing work, even you can earn autopilot income, which means you have to create the app once and you will be getting the money every time, because after the downloads, after n number of downloads, at least some percentage of the users from all over the world will be seeing your app every day. That is why you will be getting every day income without doing any work. All right. So like this, you can check some other apps also. There are many apps on the Play Store. What you can do is just see how many installs are there. What is the minimum install? See what is the maximum install. Calculate an average. Take an average. Divide it by 2 and take an average. And divide it by 1,000, because for 1,000 views they will get $5. Divide by 1,000, multiply by $5, and then multiply by 60 rupees, because $1 is equal to 60 rupees, and then you can calculate how much money they are earning. All right, so in this way you can also earn a lot of money. All right, friends, now I will show you my income proofs, how much money I have earned from Google and how much money I have earned from AdMob. I will show you the details. All right, keep watching the video. Okay, let us first log into the website. Okay, the website is opening. It is taking a little time. Okay, so AdMob is by Google. If you see here, AdMob is by Google. You will be getting the money from AdMob from this particular website, and you will be paid by Google. All right. Now I will sign in into my account, and I will show you how much income I have earned so far. I am logging into my account. All right, it is taking little time to open the site. I will show you the details as well. So please wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so if you see here, you will see my earnings. Now, today I have earned 0.90 cents. All right, the timing starts. It is a US timings. So in India, it will be in afternoon 1 o'clock to next day 1 o'clock. All right, it is not Indian timings. It is US timings, and US timings according to India is from afternoon noon 1 o'clock to next day 1 o'clock. So today till now from 1 o'clock till what is the time now? 3. Yes, it's 3 o'clock right now in the afternoon. So till now I have earned 90 cents, and yesterday I have earned $12.46. This month so far I have earned $59.70. And what is the date? If you see here, if you see here, today date is April 6th. So in the last 6 days so far I have earned 59 dollars, and in the last month altogether I have earned $443.48. All right, friends, now I will show you how much I have earned in the last 4 months. All right, from here I will select the period of last 4 months, last 4 to 5 months. Okay, I'm showing you the details from November 1st till today. See here, I'm showing you my details from November 1st, 2016 to April 5th, 2017 till today. Till today, in last 4 to 5 months, I have earned $3,767. Alright, let us quickly calculate how much it is in Indian rupees. Okay, 3,767 on an average we'll calculate per dollar it is 60 rupees. So into 60 rupees. How much it is? 2,26,020 rupees. Alright friends. So in the last 5 months I have earned so far 2,26,020 rupees. What do you think? Is it a good amount? A very good amount or excellent amount? I think it is excellent amount because I have earned this money without doing any work and this is my autopilot income. Okay. Now apart from that I will show you some other proofs also. See, if you look at the graph, on November 2nd, I have got some cents, 2 cents. On November 3rd, I have got $13. On November 5th, I have got $31. So slowly, my income is increasing because more users are seeing my apps, and when they open apps, they are seeing more ads. That is why my income has increased. On November 8th, it is $51. I will show you this highest also. On November 12th, it is $58. But it came down as well to $45. Here also it has come down to $42. Why it has come down? On November 28th, it has come to $36. Why it has come down? Because completely depends on how many users are opening your app in a day, and also depends on how many users have downloaded your app in that particular day. If there are more downloads and more users see your app, you will get more money. If less users see your app, less users open your app and they see less ads, you will get less money. Very simple fact, very simple funda. If you see here, slowly the income has decreased also, which means here very few users opened my app or I have got very few downloads. That is why I have got very less money. Alright, but after that regularly I am getting on an average of $22, somewhere around $21. Higher side is $32, lower side it is $19 at times, and higher side is sometimes $37. So on an average I am getting somewhere around $20 to $25 per day. Alright, now in my earlier explanation I have told for 1000 impressions you will get on an average of $5. But if you look at here, on an average of 1000 impressions I have received $14.14. Alright, so that $5 is actually a minimum amount I have told you. You might get somewhere between $5 to $15, or you might also get more. It completely depends on the Google. Alright, it is not in our hand. Now I will show you some more proofs. Alright, please wait, the website is loading. Okay, I will show you the proof how the payment receipt will look like. I will show you for the month of April. Sorry, I will show you for the month of March because this is April month. I haven't received the payment yet. Alright, for the first month of March, I am showing you the payment details. So this is how your payment receipt will look like. So you got the payment from Google. Which part of Google? Google Asia Pacific, Singapore. Okay. This is my tax identification number. This is my complete details, Ashwat Patil. This is the payment amount, $424. This is the payment date, uh, 22 March 2017. Payment method is wire transfer to the bank directly. Alright, so this is the receipt I have received from Google. So these are the proofs of my income that I have earned in last 4 to 5 months from AdMob, that is from Google. Alright. Alright friends, so far you have seen my income proof from AdMob. Now let us try to understand what are the other benefits of doing this freelancing work. Let us try to understand why you should do this freelancing work and what are you going to learn, what are you going to get. Alright. Okay, I will show you some details on the website. Okay, now let us see how you can start the freelancing work immediately. Alright, now how to start the freelancing work or what you need to do to earn money from Google. Okay, you require two things. First is free training videos. We will email you the free training videos once you purchase the third party online software, and the entire training video is only for 4 to 5 hours. Alright, and we are going to train you. We are also, apart from the emailing you the videos, we'll also give you the classroom training. Alright, and the second thing is you need to buy third party online software. Once you buy the third party online software from the site www.androidapps.com, we will email you the online website software link with username and password. The software access is valid only for 1 year. Every 1 year you have to repurchase the software access. To know the price, check the to know the price. The details are provided on the website, or also I'm going to tell you the price at the end of this video. All right. Now, why do you need free training or free training videos? Alright, in this free training videos you are going to learn what type of apps to create so that you get more money from Google, and how to create education apps, how to find the content of education apps, and how to create education apps using online software. That is what you are going to learn in the classroom training. Alright, next you are going to learn how to create functional apps like greetings, codes, wishes, graphic, and how to find the content and create functional app using the online software. Alright, next you are going to learn how to replace images with new images for game apps. Okay, because you are also, will also train you on how to create game apps, simple game apps, easy game apps, very interesting game apps which people are already searching and which user would like already like to download, that kind of apps. Next you are going to learn how to buy developer account from Google. Next you are going to learn how to integrate Google Ads, how to create AdMob account. Next you are going to learn how to monetize your apps, which means how to get ads in your app. Next you are going to learn how to create description writing for your apps, what sizes of images are required to publish the apps. Next you are going to learn how to generate APK, how to publish your apps in Play Store. Alright, when, where, and how to submit your bank details to receive money. Alright, this is what you are going to learn in the training, and this training we are providing you for absolutely for free. Every Sunday there will be training. You can check with me for the details when are the next training. Okay, so these are, we are providing you the free training on how to create, and we are providing you the training on this different topics. All right, all these topics are available on the website. You can check our website also, androidappames.com. Okay. Now let us understand, why do you need third-party online software? Friends, listen very carefully because this is a major part of the seminar. As graphic designers or web designers, we know only Photoshop. Alright? We don't know programming languages like Java, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, UI programming, database programming, or which all is required to create Android apps. Yes, we don't know all these things, right? So in this case, we need to use third-party online software where apps are already created. We have to change the content, we have to change the images, and we have to create new apps from it. Okay, so in the free training, we are also training you how to use the software. In software, there are many tools. We'll train you on how to use those tools. All right. Now, by using online software, you can create apps like education apps, greeting apps, quote apps, graphic apps, game apps, entertainment apps, and you can create different varieties of apps which are mostly available on Play Store. Alright, most of the work is copy paste work, which is very easy and faster to create new apps and many number of apps. Okay, now I will show you some of the features of the software. Alright, the software that you are going to purchase, see what all do you have in the software. These are the features of the software. This is alright. You can log on to the website and see what are all the features of the software as well. Okay, and I will show you the different kind of templates available on the website. I think the site has gone, just wait for a second. Okay, the site is loading now. Okay, so these are different kind of templates available in the software. See, you will have blank templates. Most of the time we are using, most of the time I am using this blank templates to create most of my apps like education apps, entertainment apps, and image making apps. I'm using the blank template most of the time. Okay. Apart from this, what are the different templates you have? You have templates for sports app. I will show you that also. Okay, it is taking a little time to upload the page. Just hold on. Okay. See what are the different categories of apps that you can create. You can create sports apps, you can create restaurant and bar apps, you can create entertainment apps, you can create business apps, you can create event and causes apps, you can create digital publishing apps, you can create music and band apps. Okay, you can also create e-commerce apps, but we are not training you on this e-commerce. All right, because it is a very big subject. We are not training you. However, if you can learn on your own after purchasing the software, you can learn on your own and you can create those apps as well. But mostly we are training you on game apps. Why game apps? Because once a user download an app, he will be using the app again and again every day, and he will be playing the game. So whenever he plays the game, we are going to earn the money. All right, that is why we are focusing more on game apps. So in the training you are going to learn how to create game apps using this templates. All right, now let us understand something else as well. Let us understand how much you can earn. Okay, now everything depends on how many number of apps you created and how many number of downloads your app received and how many people see the ads. So in our training videos or in our training, will specifically teach you which apps you get more downloads and earn more money. Okay, now you can earn around 20k to 30k per month if you have created around 25 to 20 to 20 apps in your free time. All right, let us consider this hypothetical scenario using the sample of selling simple game app infos. All right, okay, now if one app give you even $15 a month, if one app is giving you how much, $15 a month, that is 50 cents a day. All right, we are thinking that one app is giving you 50 cents a day. Let us see how much you will earn. Suppose you created 10 apps and each app gives you 50 cents, then it is $5 a day. Then you earn around $150 a month. We have to convert $150 into rupees, so we'll multiply with 60 rupees and you will be earning somewhere around 9,000 rupees in that month. Suppose you created 20 apps and each app gives you 50 cents, then it is $10 a daily. Then you earn $300 a month. Multiplied by 60 rupees, because each dollar is minimum 60 rupees, that is equals to 18,000 rupees. Now suppose you have spent more time. Let us, for example, that you are, instead of spending 2-3 hours in a day, you are spending like 4 to 5 hours in a day. Suppose you have created 30 apps. Altogether, I am telling you, each app giving you 50 cents, then it is $15 a day. You earn around $450 a month. Multiplied by 60 rupees, you will earn 25,000 rupees. 25,000 rupees on average you will be earning per month. Suppose you created 40 apps, then you have a scope of earning 36,000 rupees per month. Suppose you created 50 apps, then you have a scope of earning 45,000 rupees per month. Alright, so how do you find this amount? How do you find the plan? Very practical, right? Very workable, right? Alright, because what I am telling you is absolutely facts. You can also check going on to the Play Store how much money other apps are earning by this simple calculation. Alright, now let us understand what is autopilot income. See, the very big feature of this particular freelancing work with Google is the autopilot income. I will suggest you to focus on autopilot income. Now what it is? Autopilot income is earning money every time for doing the work one time. Once you create an app and upload on Play Store, you get income every month without doing any work again and again. So how it is possible? Once you upload the app on Play Store, you get money every time. For example, let us see. In the month of February 2017, assume that you have uploaded 20 apps. This website was created on February, that is why it is mentioned as February, but this is the April month. Let us think, in month of April you have uploaded how many? 20 apps. You have created 20 apps and uploaded onto the Play Store. Assume first month you get 500 downloads. Next month in May you are getting 2000. Next month in May you are getting 2000 downloads. After May, in month of June, you are getting 5,000 downloads. And in month of July, you are getting 10,000 downloads. And in month of August, you are getting 50,000 downloads. The downloads are increasing every month. Yes? But did you do any work in the month of May, June, July, August, or any coming months? No, you haven't done any work. You just created an app, uploaded onto the Play Store, and then you are getting automatically downloads. You don't have to do every day some work on the app. All right. So you're getting downloads and money for doing the work in the month of April only. This is called autopilot income. All right, friends. So I will just brief you once again. What is this everything about? You are going to do freelancing work with Google. And what is the freelancing work? You have to create Android apps. And how you will create Android apps? We are going to train you. It is a free training. We are going to provide you free training on how to create Android apps. But to create Android apps, we require third-party online software. We need to buy the third-party online software. We'll also train you on third-party online software, how to use the templates, how to use the tools, and how to create different kind of apps. All right. So if you have any questions, you can ask me after the seminar. All right. Thank you very much for attending the seminar. Have a good day. Friends, let us also see what is the price of this third-party online software. All right. You are not paying anything for the training. Training is absolutely free. All right. But you have to buy the third-party software. And so far you must have known why are we buying the third-party software. Okay. See, the actual cost of the third-party software is 10,000 rupees. Okay. But right now we are giving offer and the price till 25th April is 5,000 rupees. You will get 1 year access. All right. So you can click on the top of the site, the prices over here, and from here you can buy the software on your own. Okay. Now let us calculate what is your ROI. ROI means return on investment. Now only for 1 year access, which means for 1 year, let us think you have invested 5,000 rupees. Means how much per month is the cost? All right. For example, let us calculate that you have purchased the software by paying 5,000 rupees. So now let us calculate how much it is actually costing you per month. Okay. So 5,000 rupees divided by 12 months, then it is only 416 rupees. Yes, friends, only 416 rupees. So monthly, it is only 400 rupees. Now ask yourself, can you invest 400 rupees per month to earn monthly 25 to 30k? Yes. If I am in your place, or a smart person is in your place, or a person who really wants to do and earn money, who wants to learn a lot of things, if he is thinking, then definitely yes, you can invest 400 rupees per month to earn 20,000 to 30,000 rupees per month, because 400 rupees is nothing but just peanuts. Alright friends, grab the offer. It is very excellent opportunity. So here what you can do to start in three simple steps. Click on the pricing on top of the website to buy the software access. We'll email you the purchase detail. Email us the purchase details or call Vaishali on 961-8911-300. In your email, get free training videos and username and password. For the people who are living in Hyderabad, who are attending the seminar in Hyderabad, for them we are giving free classroom training on every Sunday. Yes friends, it is absolutely free classroom training. And then log on to androidappames.com site and start building your app. Alright, so happy earning money. If you have any questions, you can always call on this number to Vaishali, that is 961-899-1300, and all these details are available on the website androidappames.com. You can go through different categories on the website, and then you can and then you can check the details. All right, thank you for watching this free seminar video on how to create Android apps, how to do freelancing work with Google and earn money. You can also get our office address details on the website itself. Thank you very much. Have a good day.